श्री राम जय जय राम। श्री राम जय जय राम।
In the verdant forests of ancient India, where the whispering leaves danced with the wind and the songs of birds filled the air, there lived a young and mischievous deity named Hanuman. Born to the wind god Vayu and the celestial nymph Anjana, Hanuman possessed boundless energy and an insatiable curiosity that often led him into adventures beyond imagination. One fateful day, as Hanuman roamed the skies with his companions, he spotted a magnificent sight, the sun, radiant and golden, hanging low on the horizon. Its brilliance dazzled his eyes, and its warmth embraced his being. But to Hanuman, the sun appeared as a ripe mango, hanging tantalizingly within his reach. Driven by his youthful impetuosity and his love for mangoes, Hanuman decided to seize the sun and claim it as his own. With a mighty leap, he soared towards the heavens, his outstretched hand reaching for the glowing orb. But as he drew closer, the sun eluded his grasp, its fiery rays scorching his fingers. Undeterred by the searing pain, Hanuman persisted in his pursuit, determined to taste the forbidden fruit. But just as he was about to capture the sun, a shadow fell across his path. It was Rahu, the demon who coveted the sun's light and sought to devour it for himself. A fierce battle ensued between Hanuman and Rahu, their powers flashing like thunder and lightning in the sky. With his strength and agility, Hanuman fought valiantly against the malevolent demon, refusing to yield to his dark desires. In the end, it was Hanuman's indomitable spirit and unwavering resolve that emerged victorious, driving Rahu away and preserving the sun's radiance for all eternity. However, Hanuman's audacious feat did not go unnoticed by the gods of heaven. Enraged by Hanuman's presumption, Indra hurled his mighty thunderbolt at Hanuman, striking him with a powerful blow. The force of the thunderbolt rendered Hanuman unconscious, his form falling limp amidst the tumultuous skies. Witnessing the plight of his beloved son, Vayu, the wind god, rushed to Hanuman's side. With tender care, he gathered Hanuman into his arms and retreated to a secluded cave, where he enveloped Hanuman in his protective embrace, shielding him from harm. As Vayu held Hanuman close, the air around them grew stagnant, causing distress to the creatures of the earth. Animals began to suffocate, and the natural order was disrupted. Sensing the imbalance, the gods embarked on a search for Vayu, seeking to remedy the situation. After a thorough search, the gods located Vayu in the hidden cave, where he cradled his unconscious son. Approaching Vayu with humility and contrition, the gods beseeched him for forgiveness and pleaded for his assistance in restoring harmony to the world. Moved by their sincerity, Vayu agreed to lend his aid on one condition, that they first revive Hanuman and mend the damage wrought by Indra's thunderbolt. With solemn resolve, the gods set about their task, channeling their divine powers to heal Hanuman's wounds and restore him to consciousness. Upon awakening, Hanuman bowed his head in repentance, acknowledging his folly and seeking forgiveness for his impetuous actions. Touched by his humility and remorse, the gods granted Hanuman their forgiveness, recognizing the purity of his heart and the depth of his devotion. In recognition of his courage and loyalty, the gods bestowed upon Hanuman a multitude of boons and blessings, endowing him with extraordinary powers and abilities. From that day forth, Hanuman vowed to wield his newfound gifts for the benefit of all beings, embodying the virtues of humility, compassion, and unwavering devotion to duty.
Shri Ram Jai Jai Ram. श्री राम जय जय राम